You love your kids and your pets, and though you try different cleaners, you can just end up pushing the dirty water around. The Vax Floormate vacuums, washes, and dries. Its twin tanks keep dirty and clean water separate. The Vax solution leaves your floors looking clean and smelling fresh, whilst its spin scrub brushes leave dirt no place to hide. The Vax Floormate. Vax, your home.